In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a concept called a white labeled managed user. I'm also going to show you how you can enable and disable certain sections and areas of your website or app based on whether a user logs into it. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to People and then Users. And first off, we're going to create a user so that we can test signing in and out of our website. So on the right-hand side up here, I'm going to click New User. And one thing to note, I'm just going to close this, is to make sure that you have the Pro mode enabled. So in the bottom left-hand corner, if this says Pro and it's highlighted in blue, then you're in the Pro mode. If it just says Basic, then all you need to do is just click that word that says Basic and just flick it to Pro. And now you'll be able to see all of the settings that we're going to need in this video. So I'm going to click New User in the top right, and up here I'm going to type in John Smith. And before I fill in the email address, where it says General Fluoro User down here, I'm going to click to change to a white label managed persona. And now you can see I have an option for a username, email address, and a password. So here I'm going to write john@smith.com, and the password, I'm just going to write password, and we'll choose a realm to put this persona in, and I'm going to click save. And now we have that created. You see over here it says white label, which means that it's a white labeled user as opposed to a fluoro user. And I'm going to go to apps, websites, click our example website that we created in the previous video. I'm going to click up here and just look at the iPad view and scroll down, and here you'll see we have a block that says super secret stuff. Now I want this block to only show to users who have signed in. So I'm going to click the block and scroll down, and once again just make sure you've got the Pro option selected in the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to tick this option that says require user login. Now if I click that block has disappeared because I'm not logged in, so you can see that it's just not there. It's just not on the screen. And now on the left hand side, I'm going to click the blocks area. I'm going to search for the managed user login block. I'm going to drag that onto the screen, and here it's going to ask me to select an application to enable this block. Now all that's asking me to do is asking me which app are we actually signing into when someone fills in their details here. I want that to be the same app as this example website application, which actually displays our app on the internet. And so I'm going to click this, and then where it says application, I'm going to click find, and we'll just find our example website application there, click done, and now we have our login form. Now we can style this and edit it and change all the details and colors and things like that, but that's fine to leave it like that for now. I'm just going to hit save. And here I'm going to type in john@smith.com and the password of password. These are just the details we created before. And I'm going to click login. And now you'll see it says hello John, and we get our super secret stuff block. Now if I click log out, that disappears. If I click log in, it reappears. Log out, disappears. Log in, it reappears. Now what we can do also is we can click this block, and we can say that when you sign in, we actually want to redirect you to another page, which could be like a members page or something like that. And we can do a couple of other fancy things as well. Like if we scroll down here, we can actually hide if you're logged in. So once you log in, that block with the login field will disappear, and this block will appear. And if we hit save, and actually we'll hit save and publish. If we click domains, we'll go visit our website here, and you'll see we can scroll down and we have our sign in. If I type in john@smith.com with a password and we hit login, we get redirected to the other page that we selected, which is that home page. The about page. And if we click the menu and we go back to our home page, I think we click there. If we scroll down here, we've got our super secret stuff block. So once we sign in, we get that, and when we're signed out, we actually don't see that block. We'll get into some more fancy things, including loading content as the user in another video. But yeah, that introduces you to the basic concepts of managed users and how to have them sign into your website.